You've opened up your gates and your hearts. Here's to peace between our peoples, and may all ill will between elves and humans be behind us.
Look out behind us!
Thank you, Princess Tiabini.
You followed us?
The King of Dreamland requires elf blood. If 3 of the juiciest of you would hop into my sack, we'll be on our way.
How dare you threaten these innocent folk? These guys are totally defenseless.
Not totally.
Ugh, get those little bastards!
Sound the battle bell!